Hey, do you know, every electrical device around you, your fan, your AC, your phone charger, all of them run on one simple law, a law discovered over 200 years ago. It is called Ohm's law, and in the next 3 minutes, I will explain it so simply that you will never forget it. So what exactly is Ohm's law? Ohm's law says, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. Now, the formula is very simple.
Rovnítko I R,
where V is voltage measured in volts, I is current measured in amperes, R is resistance measured in ohms. Look at this triangle. V is at the top, I and R are at the bottom. Cover what you want to find. The triangle gives you the formula. Simple, right? Now let me explain how it actually works with a very simple example. Think of electricity like water flowing through a pipe. Voltage is the water pressure, pushes the electricity forward. Current is how much water is flowing. Resistance is how narrow the pipe is. It slows the flow down. So, if you increase the pressure, more water flows, more current flows. If you narrow the pipe, less water flows, less current flows. That is exactly how Ohm's law works. In every wire, in every circuit, in every electrical device around you. Now you understand the working principle. Now let us look at a real-world example. Look at this electrical substation. This substation supplies power to an entire residential area. The outgoing feeder line has a resistance of 60 ohms. The supply voltage is 240 volts. Now the question is, how much current flows through this feeder line? We will solve this using Ohm's law in the very next step. Stay with me. Okay, let us calculate. We are given voltage V equals 240 volts. Resistance R equals 60 ohms. Current I is unknown. We need to find it. So, using Ohm's law formula,
equals V divided by R.
Now putting the values, I equals 240, divided by 60, I equals 4 amperes. Yes, the answer is 4 amperes. So, 4 amperes of current flows through that feeder line in the substation. Now let us also find the power, using the power formula.
P equals V multiplied by E.
Putting the values, P equals 240, multiplied by 4, P equals 960 watts. The power is 960 watts. This is exactly how electrical engineers calculate current and power in real substations every single day. This is not just a classroom formula. This is real engineering. Ohm's law is not just a formula. It is the foundation of all electrical engineering. Remember this always.
V equals E multiplied by R. Equals V divided by R. R equals V divided by E. P equals V multiplied by E.
These 4 formulas will take you very far in electrical engineering. Now, if this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. Subscribe to this channel for more electrical engineering videos every week. Share this video with your friends and classmates who are studying electrical engineering, and comment below what topic you want me to explain next. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.